Hi there, special vlog. I'm Jean-Pierre from the Netherlands, and having a vlog on the restoration of my 45 GPW. That's a long-running vlog since a year. Having a lot of fun and restoring it to a kind of factory restoration using only NOS parts and sharing my endeavors as a video, let's say, archive, but as well sharing the knowledge. I'm no expert by no means, but I like to try to do and to experiment. So I got a lot of questions and was prepping a vlog in Dutch, but since I got quite some questions from people not speaking Dutch very well, so keep practicing. I will share this episode especially for you in English. So what this is all about. This is about zinc plating. There are a few parts in the GPW that are originally zinc plated and not even covered by a coating. And then I'm talking about, for example, the bowl, the fuel bowl, and in this case, the cap of the, how do you call it? The measuring rod of your filler tube. Huh? So what I've done, I've been experimenting with zinc plating myself. I know you can get it to a professional company and they will do it for a few euro, few dollars, whatever. But it's restoration, it's a hobby. So I like to try and to see what works out. So I'm not a chemist by trade or whatever. I'm an engineer though, so I try to understand the basics, but there are specialists around, and for example, Lou, learned a lot from all your videos, but Lou, you helped me with this one as well, and I read a bit about it. Sandblasted the parts completely, cleaned it thoroughly. That's very, very important. You have a lot of edges and spaces where these metal parts are clamped together that you really need to get under it. I used, forget me my English names, but hydrochloric acid, I think it is. We call it zoutzuur, but I used a 10% solution, so not too bad. So I put it in for a few minutes. That etches the surface, so the zinc plating will hold very well. Then I rinse it off with water, and I prep the solution where you dip it in. The solution, you can do it with natural acid and some salt. The 100 gram salt per liter will do to get the conductivity. And you can also use zinc chloride, so that already has some zinc dissolved in it. That helps as well. This is actually the best method. Easy to buy at chemist stores, but normally natural acid you have at your home. So either you choose. Then you'll have a power source, so you can do it with a phone charger, even with a battery. I use this one, I put on 12 volt, but the lower voltage and longer seems to give a better effect. Did not try that one. And you have zinc anodes, just zinc bars. You can also have the zinc tin ones, but the pure zincs are the best. They're used in the marine segment for yachts, etc., boats, where they put this outside for the anti-fouling. I put the plus on the anode, the minus I put here, or the negative I put on the part. I have it in a glass bowl because this stuff, although it's not very, it's electrolysis with salt, so it's not that aggressive, but I put everything in glass, so it's all clean and no pollution whatsoever. Use glasses, use gloves, very important. It's especially the hydrochloric acid is very, very dangerous for your skin. I dissolve around 100 grams per liter, so I did in, I think I did a liter. I will show you a picture in a box how my, on top in the screen here, I will put in a picture of this the setup I've done, because this is only for demonstration use, because I already did it. So then I have it, the solution I have in the glass bowl, the products are in, everything connected. Put that one on, did it for an hour, but frequently turn the part and change the position of the anodes so you get an even surface covered with zinc. So when it's done, you turn everything off, you take it out, and you get it like quite rough. This one I did some cleaning, the bowl that you just seen, I didn't do anything yet, but you can basically polish it. I used Scotch Brite. You have these cleaning sponges, as we call it, but you can get it even too glossy if you polish it completely. But I think this was close to the original look, zinc plated or something cadmium plated. That's something you can't do at home. Thinning you can do at home. It's much easier but difficult to get off, as somebody noticed. So I use the zinc one, and it comes very close to the NOS one I've got as well, lying around. So that is the whole process. You can do, you can passivate it afterwards, or chemical blackening. That's a next step in this process, but I'll keep it with zinking. You lose that correct. You can put a clear coat on top of it, so it's even protected better, even better. And that's basically it. I hope you guys got it. If you got any questions, know how to reach me. My Facebook account name is, for privacy reasons, a fake one, so don't be confused with my real name. It's Jean-Pierre, but put it in the vlog below the comments, and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching. If you like it, thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. The alarm bell will get you a message when I upload a new vlog. Most of it is in Dutch, but some episodes I do in English as a kind of wrap up of where I'm going. Thanks for watching.